Hi guys, and thank you for joining us here again at Black Stag Styling for some more of our fantastic videos doing some styling. We have, as you know on the channel, a lot of Ford Ranger wild tracks that we do styling with, and on this occasion not too different, but we have a single cab Ford Ranger in a silver. This is for Sharman Caravans, specialising in caravans, motorhomes and camper vans, so do check them out. I'll put the link in the description below. Have a look at their website if any of that is of interest to you. We've done a couple of little jobs on this already for them. We've done the side steps, but on this occasion we have it in to supply and fit a winch. So we're going to get it in a moment. We'll run you through the winch in front of the vehicle so you can have a little look at all of that. Then of course we'll be getting it all fitted. Like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get it in the workshop and get cracking. Here we go.
Right, so we have got in again, once again, the Sharman's new shape Ford Ranger. Good customer, done a lot of work on the vehicle already, but today we've got it in for a front winch. We are fitting, as you can see here, the BushRanger REVO recovery winch. Pretty hardcore piece of kit. Over 4,500 kilos that will recover, so you can move a house or you can move anything with it really, I think. Also fitting this underguard, sort of under shield to the bottom of the vehicle just to protect it for sort of off-road use. I believe the winch is going to be used a lot for moving caravans because that's what they do, and also hopefully a little bit of off-road recover as well. But we'll get the front bumper off and start getting it on.
Lovely jubbly.
You said you're okay.
Over with that. How we doing, pal?
We're doing all right, mate. We're getting there. The winch is on. All the mounted brackets and everything are all on. It's just a sort of wiring in next is the next part. But this rather big unit that has to go somewhere. So yeah, we'll get that on.
It's a rather large unit, isn't it?
It is a large unit, but it's all going very well, to be honest with you. It's,
superb, mate, superb.
It's lovely, really.
You'll be able to tow a huss with this, isn't it?
You will be able to tow a huss. Yeah.
Goodness me.
No, it does look pretty hardcore, doesn't it?
That does, yeah, very much so.
We'll give it a little test out when we're all done.
Yeah, we'll tow our truck with it.
Try and move your house.
Right, we're just going to go and see how Adam's getting on. Hopefully he's here somewhere. Hello, pal.
We're pal. We're under here, pal.
How you doing?
We're doing all right, mate. I've just, well, we're doing very well. Now just started on the wiring of the winch. It is all fitted in there, all bolted in. So yeah, it's now just a case of sorting all the wiring out. I've fitted also under the bonnet here. Have a little look, come and have a little look. Have a little look. So the main sort of control box up here, which is fitted just here.
Oh yeah.
It's got a little cap on which you can plug your remote directly in via a cable and can use it wireless. So.
Nice.
Big
old power cables, isn't there?
They're big old power cables, aren't they? Yeah. But yeah, so I get all the wiring done, and then the next stage after that is the cutting of the actual bumper section.
Oh, nice.
A little bit of cutting, you know.
It's going to be fun.
Yeah. Take a little bit of working out, but we'll do it.
Superb, pal.
So yeah, we're getting there. I'm just connecting the main earth underneath.
Yeah.
It's lovely under here. Peaceful.
Looks comfortable.
It's nice. Yeah.
A little lay down.
I don't know if you can see under here. He's got some rare old horns.
I don't know. Can we get?
I don't know if you're going to get under here, but oh, here look, all these red.
Can we? Oh, just about. Yeah.
That's one of them, isn't it? Right, I'll carry on. Come back and see me soon.
Certainly will do.
I'll do a little test when it's all done.
Looking forward to it already.
Yeah, boy.
Ad's just going to do a little test of the winch before we finish the wiring. That's working a treat, look, working real well. He can finish the wiring now. Right, okay, so Ad's now doing his first cuts in the bumper, if you can hear me. So we've got to take a little bit out of the front bumper to allow the winch to work. There we go. Right, Ad's finished all his cuts in the bumper. Now time to get it back on the vehicle. We have done a little bit of test fitting already to make sure it's all good. And it is all fine. Just excuse Adam's bum crack in the picture.
You want viewers or not?
Not them sort of viewers, pal. There we go, line that all up, and as you can see, look, see the winch down the bottom there? From removing that middle section of bumper, doing the measurements. Fitting lovely.
Hello pal, how you doing?
We're good, mate. We're
Come and check out my neat wiring here, look. Come and have a little look, you know?
That is nice and neat.
Tucked away, yeah.
Nice and neat.
Tucked through here, this is obviously the wiring for the winch. But yeah, we are pretty much here now. Here it is, look.
Mate.
Have a little look. So it's all good to go. Really good winch. It's got a little clutch on it, so you can put the clutch in and you can manually pull it out like this. Put the clutch pad in, and then it is all wireless now. So we have a wireless.
That's just behind there and all of that.
Yeah, clutch is hidden in there, and then we've got the wireless controller. Yeah, hey.
That is superb, isn't it?
Yeah, real good. And you can also come out with it on the controller too. If you keep coming like this, and then you can hook it onto something. You can hook it on something really heavy, a bit more, and then just reel it. Oh, here we go. Just reel it in. Here we go. Yeah, it's good. Pull all sorts. You don't have to go down low. Oh, you don't go low. Yeah. We'll give you another little demo later. We'll attach it to something a little bit heavier than Fraser. Yeah. Ouch! And we'll do a little demo when we're outside.
Superb. Is there a switch on the inside, isn't there?
Yes, there's a switch on the inside. Come and have a little look. So we did mention this earlier in the video, but you can plug this in via the wire, so it's wired in.
Oh, okay. That's
not 100% sure why you do that if it's wireless, but if your battery's dead in this, I guess you can have a backup and put your wire in.
Cool. Superb.
And then we've. It's very nice in here. We've actually put it into his proper switches up here. Look.
Superb. Yeah, I'm just about to see them all up there.
So yeah, works like that. He's also got his horn here. He's got the horn on there. So. Fraser, my friend Fraser, he doesn't like the horn.
Do you, Fraser? See Fraser there with his. Good. It is very good. Very horny.
Yeah, very horny.
Very horny.
So yeah, it's pretty much we've just got to pull it outside and give the vehicle a wash. That is ready to go back to Ben this afternoon.
Superb. Shaman Caravans.
Shaman Caravans.
Give them a look.
The Shamans.
Give them a little looky.
Yeah.
so we are all done on the Shaman's Ranger. As promised, got a last little demo of the winch we've fitted here. So all wireless, as mentioned earlier on in the video. We'll do a little trial here. So yeah, here we go. Little trottler. I think that's probably close enough, but as you can see, works lovely. I mean, it's a great winch, pulls back 4,500 kilograms, I believe it said on the...
I think you are about right.
Which is an awful lot of weight. Obviously, our truck is a lot less than that, so it'll pull, I don't know, half a dozen of these, I reckon.
Half a dozen of them.
But yeah, that sort of concludes the end of our video. So like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications. We'll give you one last little view around the truck, and keep tuned for more.
Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye now.